To add a stunning blue ink effect to your photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find blue ink. Choose where to apply the effect. You can apply it to the whole image, background only, or subject only. As the example, we will apply this effect to its subject only. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more dramatic and surreal the effect becomes. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the blue ink effect has been added to your photo. Given to the function, adding a blue ink effect to your photos give them a creative and artistic touch. Whether you are aiming for a moody aesthetic or a unique style, this effect enhances your image effortlessly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.